Hello everyone. The topic for today is histograms. Right now I want you to pause the video so you can copy down your notes and then resume when you're ready. A histogram is a type of bar graph. The only difference is on the bottom there is an interval of numbers as opposed to just one. And I'll explain what that means in just a moment or show you the difference. Okay? A frequency distribution, well, that's just how many pieces of data are in each interval. So when we have something like this table right here, that frequency, that's just putting a number to however many pieces of data we have in that category. So we took a survey of 15 people about the number of pets that they own. 4 people said that they have either 0 or 1, so the frequency would be 4. For 2 to 3 pets, 8 people. 4 to 5, 2 people, and 6 or more, 1 person. So now that we have our frequency chart, we can create the histogram. So we've got to set up our range of numbers. So we've got 0 to 1, we've got 2 to 3, 4 to 5, and 6 plus. Okay. And then we've got to label our essentially y-axis. So let's label that. Well, since 4 people said that they have either 0 or 1 pet, we're going to make a bar right there. 8 people said 2 to 3, so another bar. 2 people said 4 to 5. And 1 person said 6 or more. So I'll just shade that in so you can kind of see the difference in the bars. There's our histogram for that information. So here we have another example in which we're talking about daily visitors to selected state parks. And we've got to create the histogram, but first we need to do the tallies as well as the frequency chart, so that we can have the numbers in place to create our histogram. So we have a total of 20 numbers here, so it's a good thing to have all of the numbers counted so that you know how many should show up in your tally marks as well as the frequency table. So we're just going to cross them off as we go. So 108, that would go in this category, so we're going to put a tally there. 165, 327, 193, 209, 244, 185, 235, 171, 263, 192, 207, 152, 212, 226, 382, 236, 161, 137, and 241. So now we have put all of those tallies in place. So let's count how many tallies we have. So we've got 2 there, 7 there, 8 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. Now that we have all of that information, we can officially create the histogram. So our intervals are going to determine the bars. So we've got 100 to 149, then 150 to 199, 200 to 249, 250 to 299, 300 to 349, 350 to 399. And again, we have to label our y-axis. And now we can create the bars. So we had 2 people at 100 to 149, so there's that bar. We had 7 people for the next group, 8 people for the next group, 1 person for the next group, another 1, and another 1. So those are our bars. Again, I'm just shading that so you can kind of see the difference. They should be connected, but there is our histogram. Let's look at a couple more examples. Problem number 1, which interval represents the most number of students? Well, this interval right here, or this bar right here, has the highest number, which is 20 to 29. So that has the most number of students. Looking at question number 3, it says how many students went to a pool at least 10 times last summer? Those key words, at least, we can't let that slip us up, because that's not just saying how many people went 10 times. That means at least 10 times. So if someone went between 10 and 19 times, they would qualify. Also 20 to 29, 30 to 39, and 40 to 49. So we have to add up how many people fall into these categories, and that is a total of 23 people. So for tomorrow, I want you to solve this problem, number 2 and number 4. Bring those answers along with any questions that you may have with you to class.